I'm Rachel Louise Just with the ABC 15 political team. The stock market is surging after China and the U.S. came to a 90-day agreement on tariffs.
Another busy day of political news, kicking off with an announcement many economists have been waiting for. China and the U.S. announcing they'll be substantially cutting tariffs on imports from one another.
Yesterday, we achieved a total reset with China.
The news rallying the stock market, but it isn't the end of the tariff battle.
We're going to avoid that really acute hoarding kind of situation that we were headed for, by choice from the president. And instead, I think, we're just going to pay higher prices.
Brendan Duke is an expert in federal budget policy who previously advised on the National Economic Council under President Joe Biden. He says he still expects this to push up prices overall.
It's just basically on firms about when they decide to increase prices.
That's because America will cut the additional tariffs it put on Chinese imports from 145% to 30%. Chinese tariffs on U.S. products will drop from 125% to 10%. But those tariffs are still high.
At 145%, nobody bears the cost of the tariff because nobody's sending anything, right? You just keep it in Asia and wait it out. At 30%, people are going to start to spend stuff, but they'll charge more for it.
There's also new legislation out today, part of the federal budget bill that includes steep cuts to Medicaid funding, pushing more of the costs onto states.
Medicaid has got to be reformed. It's been in existence for 60 years.
This is very simply an effort to destroy healthcare as we know it.
It's part of Trump's attempt to lower taxes by cutting the federal budget. Trump also signing an order to lower the cost of prescription drugs. America has some of the highest prices for such drugs in the world, and Trump's order aims to force companies to match lower prices seen in other countries. For ABC 15's political team, I'm Rachel Louise Just.